In this video, we are going to create system assigned manage identity. A system assigned manage identity is automatically created and tied to a single Azure resource like VM, function app, or logic app. When the resource is deleted, the identity is also deleted automatically. Let's get on the Azure portal to see these things in action. System assigned identities are enabled directly on the resource. Common supported resources include virtual machines, Azure App Services, Azure Functions, Azure Logic App, Azure Automation Accounts, Azure Container Instances. You can create the system assigned manage identity at the time of resource deployment as well. In our example case, we are going to add the system assigned manage identity to the Azure VM as shown. Let's click on VM1. In the VM1 menu section, click on Security and then to Identity. Select the System Assign and then toggle the switch to On and click on Save. The System Assign Manage Identity has now been successfully created for VM1 as shown on the screen. From here, you have two options to assign Azure roles to this identity. You can either click directly on Azure role assignments within the identity blade or navigate to the access control IAM section of the Azure resource you want the VM to access. Let's say you want VM to retrieve secrets from an Azure Key Vault. You will need to assign the appropriate role such as Key Vault Administrator to this manage identity for that specific Key Vault. Let's think that it's MyKV 466-58979 where app secret resides. Click on the access control IAM on this MyKV menu. Click Add and then select Add Role Assignment. Select Key Vault Administrator from the role list. Key Vault Administrator allow the access to the data plane of the Key Vault. Click Next. Select Manage Identity and select Members. On the right hand side, you can see that you can choose Manage Identity that is created on VM1. Click Select. Click Next. Click Review plus Assign to complete the role assignment. That's it. VM1 now has permission to access secrets in the Key Vault securely and without the need for storing credentials. And that's how you create and configure a system assigned manage identity. The real beauty of this approach is that you don't need to manage any secrets or credentials. Azure handles all that for you, which reduces risk and simplifies secure access between services.